or 86, you clicked on the right video. Today, you and I are going to walk through step by step how to change the oil all by yourself. So, let's get started. So I got one jack stand on each side, located right on the pinch weld. And I also got the jack over here, just to be safe. Let's climb down under here and see where that drain plug bolt is at. Dang. Delicious. Once the oil has drained out, let's go ahead and put back on that drain plug. And then let's also give it the new filter. Here's what I'm using. Gram. This is how we're looking after 5 quarts of oil that I just added in. It's just above that first dot right there, and we need to go to the second dot to be full. So let's add a little more. Perfect. I don't know if you can see that, but it is right at the fill line. Hey, before you go, I just want to thank you so much for checking out this video. And if you're new to the channel and this is your first time watching one of our videos, consider subscribing around here. My name is Garrett, and what you just saw was my brand new 2013 FRS that just got added to the channel. I have a lot of things planned for this car, and I'm also new to the 86 platform community, and I'd like to meet more of you guys and just say hi and see what's up with you guys and what kind of things that you're doing to your car. Very curious to see what other owners are doing to their car. So subscribe today if you're new around here. Thanks for checking out the video. We also have 300 SRT content, a Genesis Coupe that's also on the channel, and then we also have a Mustang 5.0 with a lot of videos on the channel. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. See you in the next one. Take care.
Started when a met another and they met another and they became the trio. The end.